I welcome you guys for this MATLAB session. Many think that MATLAB is very big software and it is tough to work on it, but it is wrong. If we have proper training of using MATLAB, definitely we can work more better. Okay, let us straight away go to the training session. This is about this video log will be of MATLAB training on electrical engineering. Okay, basics of electrical engineering. First I start with basics of electrical engineering. Let me explain about how to open and the preliminary steps of working on MATLAB. So once you install MATLAB software, you get icon like this on desktop, and if you double click this, you will get a page like this. Okay, now we have to now I am going to concentrate on circuit simulation. For circuit simulation, this is the tool. This tool is called Simulink tool. This is the library for working on MATLAB. So MATLAB has predefined libraries. This button will lead you to the library. So I have clicked this Simulink button. My system is quite slow, so please be patient on watching this video. Okay, here the library browser gets opened, and you just click on this first button, new model. You'll get a empty window like this. So this window, this white space is your workspace. Here we are going to draw our circuits. Okay, see, simulations, when we talk of simulation, MATLAB simulation, there are three types. One is you can create a transfer function model, okay, for your circuit. You make it as a system with the transfer function, second order, third order, something else. That is one method, transfer function. And you can simply drag the components like resistance, capacitance. You will be having power electronic devices. You can create circuits just by clicking and dragging and pasting on the workspace. You can create a circuit simulation. So that is second one. Third one is you can mathematically model a circuit. Okay, so when you have a circuit using KVL and KCL, Kirchhoff's voltage law and current law, you should frame voltage and current equations. Using those equations, you can model your circuit. So this is the third one. Okay, first let us go to a very basic circuit. First let us take a simple DC source. Okay, a simple DC source with a resistance. Let us take this as 10 volts and this is 10 ohms. Okay, 10 volts and 10 ohms. So now we are going to develop this circuit, very simple circuit. This is familiar to even school children. So let us start from this level. Okay, so now we are going to develop this circuit. So go to your workspace. So first let us concentrate on circuit simulation. That is simply drag and paste your circuit elements and connect it and get your results display. Okay, for that you need the components first. What are all the components for this circuit? We need a simple DC voltage source and a resistance. So go to Simulink library. You have to pick up your components from Sim Power Systems. This is Sim Power Systems. just double click this. You have a lot of subsystems in this SimPower systems. First we need a source, so go to electrical source, click on electrical source, and we need a DC voltage source. Simply drag, click on drag and keep it on your workspace. Click on DC voltage source and simply drag and keep it on your workspace. Okay, so it is getting pasted on your workspace now. Next we need a resistance, so go to elements, open Simulink library, SimPower systems, elements. In elements you choose RLC series branch, simply click on drag and keep it on your workspace. Okay, 1 minute, let me zoom. Okay, that option is not available, so okay, now double click this series RLC branch. You have a dialog box, you choose simply, we have a series of options RLC, RLC, RL, RC, LC, and it is open circuit. Now we need a resistance, so you just choose R and give it as 10 ohms. Just simply click on apply and OK. See, now the element has been changed to resistance. So now you can simply complete this circuit. Okay, here we have to enter the voltage value. It is in default it is 100. Reduce it to 10. Okay, so this is our circuit. Now we are going to, in this circuit, now we are going to visualize voltage and current. Okay, as well as you can calculate the power. In this circuit you can simply calculate voltage, current and power. So for calculating or measuring we need a measuring device. So go to Simulink library browser, go to SimPower systems, measurements. In measurements choose voltage measurement and current measurement. We need both measurements. So ammeter should be connected in series with the circuit. The internal resistance of ammeter is very low. In ideal condition, that is in theoretical condition, internal resistance of ammeter is 0, internal resistance of voltmeter is infinity. We are familiar about that. Okay, so now we need a tool to view our results. Okay, so for that you go to, once again, whenever we need a thing you should search on your library browser. So go to Simulink commonly used blocks and click on scope, drag and keep it on your workspace. See here, this has only one arrow, but we have two outputs, voltage and current. So double click the scope and click on this second button, it is parameters, second button, and here it is displaying number of axes. You just change the number of axes to 2. Apply. Okay, see, now we have 2 arrows, so simply we can connect it. Okay, so now we can see the results of voltage and current of this circuit. If you need to check the power consumption by this circuit, what should we do? So power is nothing but simply product of V into I, isn't it? P is equal to V into I. So here we have in the circuit we have current and voltage. So Simply if we product this, we get a power of this circuit, power consumption of this circuit. So for that we need a product box. Now we should go to Simulink, math operations, and pick up product. See here, it is product. Click on, drag and keep it on your workspace. Now we have to product voltage and current in order to get the power consumption by this circuit. We need to visualize this power. So simply double click this, go to parameters, change the number of axis to 3. Okay, so it is created. So the scope will show the output of the circuit, voltage, current, power. If you want to know the value of voltage, current, power, we have a tool called display. Go to library. In search box, you just type display. Okay, so I have typed display. In Simulink we have display. So lot of displays are available. You should take a very basic tool from Simulink. Click on, drag and keep it on your workspace. Okay, so if we connect this to this line, this line is from current measurement. So this will display the value of current, and this is the output from voltmeter. So if you connect display box to the output of voltmeter, it will show the voltage value of the circuit, that is voltage value across the resistance. Okay, so this is the output of the product of voltage and current, isn't it? So this is voltage, this is the signal from voltage, this is a signal from current. Here we have a product, so this will be V into I. If I connect the display box here, this will display the value of power. Okay, so now we have completed this circuit. Before simulating, we need a tool for simulation. So for this, open library browser, go to SimPower Systems, and this is Power Guy. Power Guy is nothing but a tool which will run your simulation. Okay, whatever simulations you do, we should have Power Guy in your workspace, then only the simulation will run. Okay, Power Guy is nothing but Power Graphical User Interface. The simulation will get run only when the Power Guy tool is on your workspace. Okay. Next step is you have to give some timing. See, it is in seconds. We should give the times in runtime in second. I am giving 5 seconds. Okay. Now click on the start simulation button. You have a play button. Click on this. Okay. See this. See the value of current. Sorry. Once again. See, this is the value of current, this is the value of voltage, and this is the value of power. See here, 1 ampere current is flowing, and we have a voltage of 10 voltage across the resistance. See here, the voltmeter is connected across the resistance. So across resistance there is 10 voltage and current flowing is 1 amps. So the power consumption is 10 watts. Now I am going to click on the scope button. Okay. See, this is the tool to auto scale your readings. After opening scope, you just click on this auto scale and it is showing the readings. This is voltage, current and power. 10 voltage, 1 amps. As it is DC, I told you no transient effect will be shown in MATLAB. So no practical effects will be shown in MATLAB. That is why this is just ideal condition. So it is showing just a straight line. Okay. When you work on alternating current, this will be sinusoidal. Okay. So this is how we should work on MATLAB. This is a very simple circuit with one voltage and one resistance. Here is a lot of stuffs in this basic circuit. So let us go to the next level on the next video log. Thank you.